Harish, this is Gokul. My question is why we are going with Azure, not other clouds?
Good question. See, idea is like you can go ahead with any other cloud also, no worries. But idea is like Azure. Why we chosen is because in my company and my friend circles, whoever is working, many of are all working on Azure. Especially, they are migrating from a standard data engineers to a cloud data engineer by using this Azure stack like Databricks and ADLS and Synapses, and Blob and ADF. So they are using Azure and Azure also Power BI. Okay, many of companies are using Power BI. So Power BI is again from Microsoft. So the Azure cloud is becoming popular, especially for a data engineer side. Okay, so I'm not saying that you cannot use other, but idea is it is not practically possible for one person or a team to teach different cloud. That is why we choose an Azure, where we have some hands-on. You got it?
For demo project, we are going to see which domain, like banking or finance or healthcare.
Okay,
Which
okay.
particular domain we are going to see?
To be frank, first of all, we haven't decided it because based on the response and and we also take some time to do some background works to do the demo project, and yeah, we'll let you know. But we will take any domain or a sector. Okay,
Yeah, hi.
so
So
idea is like,
continuing,
sorry, idea is like, it's not a big matter what domain that you are working, but the matter is like the process, like flow, how you are doing a project in pipeline. Okay, so that is very important. We will concentrate on that area. Of course, we will choose any one domain. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, continuing with that cloud question, I have a question related the same. Like I'm working in Amazon since past 2 years, so I
Mhm.
may get experience, genuine experience, but working in non-technical department. So like how if I learn Azure, then if I sit in interview, then interviewer might ask like why you did Azure and not AWS.
Let me
So
tell you,
how
let me
could I
tell you.
tackle those? Yeah.
I understand your question. The question is like, see, idea is you want to wherever actually you already have experience in big data on cloud. Can you please confirm?
No, no, no. I don't have experience in cloud. I'm working in like non-technical department. So I just
Okay.
it's related
Then
Excel.
then I recommend you to please learn Azure. If you already have a AWS knowledge, I'm not sure because I'm not much aware of AWS. So I may not tell you what are the tools that you're supposed to learn on AWS. If you are already good at AWS with these data engineering tools, you can go ahead. But idea is like we may not help you there because we do not have much expertise there. So it is your wish, which one you want to select.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any questions, guys?
Hi Naresh, thanks for doing this. This is Ram here.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Ram.
Um, yeah, I already have worked as a SQL developer. I know Python.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I have been working in big data project for quite some time,
Mm-hmm.
but the support role. So I want to switch to data engineer role. Um, I know a bit of Spark, Scoop, all that, as part of the work. I do, work directly on these jobs. So I understand the code and everything. I have tried before giving interviews and all, but I felt, I'm not up to the mark. So, what do you suggest that I should take up? And, will there be like one-to-one sessions, or you just share the relevant material for me to go through?
I told you, and first of all, congrats for you because you already have a actual basics like Python and SQL is very mandatory for everyone to become a data engineer or any other skills. But for you, it may take a very less time to adopt the rest of the stack. And coming to your question, we are not teaching one-to-one, but as we discussed, if the topic that you are looking for is not available on internet, we will try. We will try to teach you, but that may not be one-to-one. Maybe in a session, maybe that will be useful for others as well, right? So idea is like we can able to teach, but if I start teaching the same content, whatever is there in YouTube, then what I'm making a difference? Because I'm wasting my time as well as your time, right? I want to focus, especially, areas where other people's or other material or other channels or material which are not available on internet. That means this kind of practical sessions or, giving some real-time exposure, okay, supporting some, projects or making interviews or resume tips, you know, these kind of help we will try to do it. Okay. But going forward in a future, based on that our availability, we may also conduct some sessions. I mean tutorials like one-to-one or like how other institutes are coming up, but not as of now. But that is not a big issue. Conducting a sessions are not a big issue, but issue is this one. Whatever services I am saying, right? Those are very, very important to grab a job. Because I will give you one example. So because I used to take many interviews in my company directly, and I can easily pick the person whether the person is having a real-time experience or not easily, though you are a technical experience, because I know what questions I can ask to get that answer. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I will try to teach you to overcome that situation. Okay. Yeah. Hope I answered your
So
question. Yeah.
I would, you would suggest to take only the interview preparation for this one, right? In this scenario, or big day, the demo project as well.
Yes, and you don't forget that we also conducting every weekend this Q&A sessions, as I told you, right? So this one, conduct Q&A session in weekend, especially on Saturday. So in this session, you may ask any questions like based on the skills or based on the material that you are going through. Okay, if you have any questions, you can directly ask, and also we are giving some Google Sheets where you can please if you get some questions while you are reading, right, you go and update in a Google Sheet. Why just now I shared with you, right? So
Okay.
yeah, here you can choose a Python if you are learning Python and getting some doubts, and just write your topic and question. So if a respective person from our team will look into it and try to answer here itself. If not, we will try to address in our weekend call. So right, if you don't know, even we will also try to learn and will share our experience. Fine.
Hi,
Okay.
Naresh. This is Pawan
Yeah.
from this side.
Yeah, Pawan.
I want to know, like, is Informatica or any ETL tool is best to learn? You suggested Azure, right? But there are so many channels which are posting Azure content, but they are not aligned in a structured way. So, if we take up a course like Informatica on Udemy or like that, it will be beneficial, right? What do you say about
Yeah.
Informatica?
You are good. Actually, you're asking a good question, I can say. Let me tell you, Informatica people are slowly migrating, because Informatica is a kind of a ETL tool. And we have many other ETL tools are available in the market, right? So I can strongly suggest, please try to migrate from Informatica to a big data, stack, especially for a cloud side. Because why I'm saying, I don't want to bring this cloud into the picture. Without cloud also you can get the job, because
But
to
there
become
is Informatica Cloud also, right?
maybe I'm not sure, because I'm not the candidate from Informatica. But what
Okay.
I'm saying is, like, if you want to become a data engineer, especially cloud data engineer, you please adopt this cloud tools. Either it is GCP or AWS or Azure. But why Azure is because many people or many companies have started using Azure. especially in data processing side. Okay, I'm not sure for other areas, but at least data processing area Azure is expensively using. Okay, and coming to materials, you might be get some confusion, right? That is where we mentioned the first point. Okay, first point is itself is explain the learning roadmap to become a data engineer, help to find out the right material or tutorials. We already identified few tutorials in a YouTube as well as the Udemy, also on different websites. We will try to give you links so that you directly go there and read it or watch it.
Okay.
Okay, that will come up.
On an average, how
next.
many months it would take?
See, again, it's
How many months it will take to get?
see, it's completely based on your speed. Okay, and if you are starting from the scratch, I can say 2 to 3 months for learning, minimum 3 months for learning, and a demo project is 1 month, and interview preparation and resume preparation and all is 1 month. I can say 4 to 5 months minimum if you are a standard student or a first class student or a candidate, or if you already have some good expertise in technical like Python and SQL and little bit about cloud, then again you can reduce 1 or 2 months based on your expertise.
Okay. Can I opt for only demo project if I have some relevant skills required to become a data engineer, like Hive and Hive, PySpark and Hadoop fundamentals? Can I opt for only demo project in that case?
The
Is it,
demo project
you
will
told?
cover majority of the stacks. Okay, let us say one demo project we will see without Azure or without cloud. One demo project, I'm not sure, but I'm just telling you, if time permits, we will try to do it 2 ways. If not, either one. Okay, that is with cloud. The another one is without cloud. In that case, I strongly recommend you to uh, you know study this common tools, that is PySpark and Hadoop bit, and then SQL, Python, and anything related to a non-cloud data engineer. Or you want to become a cloud data engineer, you should take any cloud. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
But for demo project, we may start from March onwards, because but demo project we may not discuss these many things, right? So only demo project part only we will tell you, but interview tips or resume tips or other questions and answers, whatever we are discussing in every weekend, you may miss that. Okay, so idea is like, if more people will join, then automatically we are going to create one WhatsApp group for especially this job ready program, where you people only are the group members in that. Okay, so there we will try to post all the updates, what do you want to learn and all, so that you will be on a in a same workspace. Sometimes you may not have a questions, but other people ask questions that answer you require. So that kind of conversation you miss it if you want to go alone. Okay.
Sir, Simranji, this side,
Yes, Imran.
just yeah, I wanted that answer that regarding my multiple mock interviews. And one more question: when we can join this or start this program?
Yeah, right away. But next week we'll start with the roadmap and what to learn. Okay, but the weekend sessions will be Q&A session. I can say weekend session will be started from next week, because at least you have to take 1 week time, right, to learn something, right?
Okay.
So next week onwards, you can say next week, next Saturday onwards. Okay,
Next Saturday
session
onwards.
Yeah, people who are going to enroll, for them we will create a separate meeting and separate WhatsApp group, and also we will send a link to your respective email IDs.
Okay, just a simple thought that nowadays there are lots of videos, lots of content on the YouTube, and lots of things, but we don't know that which one to choose.
That's what, no, I think our friend asked the same question. So that is where we found the problem, and also we have a solution. We will give you some material, okay, some channels or some courses, links. You go ahead
Okay.
and learn it. You no need to learn too many things. You just learn 1 or 2 channels or materials. That's it. And you
Thank you.
don't know. I don't know whether you have a access for let me Google Drive. I'm gathering so much material. We have a, let us say, Clever Studies Premium. As of now, those who have joined in this, then I am giving it access to Google Drive. But those who are going to take this program, for them also I will try to share. See here. So not only my material and others materials which are free, I am capturing it. Let us say go ahead, go to a Spark. Okay, go to a Spark. Let me go to notes.
Sorry for interrupting. May I know your name, by the way?
My name is Naresh Kumar.
Okay.
Okay, let me finish this. So let us say there's a Spark. Okay, Spark, I collected so many materials. See here, a PySpark interview guide. Okay, and PySpark PPT. Let me open any one. Okay, all useful materials I'm capturing and uploading here. See, this is my material, right? You can open any other. See, somebody has prepared these notes. Okay, and I taken it from different resources. Okay, that is one. And other where like interview question and answers. Okay, these are all materials. Okay, there are 31 pages. So this is completely available for free of cost, especially those who opt for this program. Okay, so you can utilize. It's completely based on your patience levels. Okay, and Spark PDF. See, there are many questions, many questions which are readily available. You no need to create your own notes. That is up to you. Okay, so caching. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, and
Yeah,
like
Naresh.
this. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, buy your material itself in the YouTube videos, which you
Mhm.
not kept on the under premium.
Mhm.
By that, using that material on itself, I cracked the Infosys offer recently.
Oh, great. What is your name?
Yeah. Oh, my name is Bago. They are not yet released the offer letter.
Mhm.
The package they are negotiating is very less. That's why I'm not interested to join.
Okay. Okay.
Currently, I'm a working professional in one MNC company.
Okay.
So I have overall 2+ years of experience, and relevant to this, I have only 1 year. But where I'm lagging is the coding part, the Spark programs which we write in the PySpark. I'm already certified from the Databricks, but I'm every day I certified last year, so I won't get the opportunity to write the programs. That's why I was unable to
Okay.
crack
No
some
worries. No worries.
interviews.
We will see that also. Okay. We will see. You have to do
Yeah.
some exercises, then you can definitely do it. So see the SQL. How much material is available? SQL. It is ready made.
And Naresh, before
Yes.
that, can you that show us the pathway? Like, so we learn the Hadoop, then we learn the Hive, and these things on the line, Hadoop and Hive
We'll
and
tell you that.
SQL and then
See, that is
Spark.
what roadmap. Okay. That is what roadmap that we are going to discuss in our starting session from next week
Okay,
onwards.
what are all the roles we can apply
Yes.
also? Can end
Yes,
after
yes,
that?
yes, yes. We will discuss completely. That may be 1 hour session next week. Will Okay. Those who are going to join, you will get a meeting invite for the same on Saturday before 1 day back.
Yeah,
Okay.
thanks a lot.
All right, guys. Any questions? Sorry,
Hello.
not able to hear
Hi,
you. Yeah,
Naresh, can I join? Can I join directly demo project? Can I join? Means
that is your
without.
wish. Your wish. But idea is like to do so, right? First of all, let me. I already
Yeah, I
explained.
have basic idea on cloud. I have basic idea, but not ADF and Azure Databricks. I know little bit, and not exactly ADF. I don't know. Will it be sufficient enough?
First of all, you opt for this course, and I don't think 500 rupees is more. Definitely, you will get so many good insights, I can say, though you are already having a experience or a knowledge. So I'm sure definitely you will get benefited. Okay, don't think that that may not be required, but it is up to you. You can take a call. Okay. So in this video, the same link again I'm going to post here here also. So once you click on this link, right, if you already submitted, you will get this kind of message or pop-up. But if you joined first time, then you will get a fresh sheet. And in case of you already submitted, you just go to edit. Okay. And I included two buttons, two choice today. That is willing to enroll. If you are interested, just click yes. If not, no. Not decided, maybe. Then need help for what? Like, based on this. Let me. Okay. Based on this, right? Based on this, I divided into 4 parts here. See here, learning big data stack, demo project, resume review, and interview preparation, all of the above. So in case you can select this one, okay? So, but idea is you may not get a meeting invite if you only select this one. You may get a meeting invite only when a demo project starts, okay? So, but if you check this, then you may start getting a links from the day one, okay? So that is up to you. You can choose your whatever you want.
How often links will be shared or meetings will be? It will be for on the weekends only, like Saturdays and Sundays.
Not Sunday. We are planning first of all on Saturday only, based on the people. We will discuss on Saturday 1 to 2 hours. If demand, then we will extend. If not, we will try to wrap up in that sessions. But anyway, for the people who are we are also giving the opportunity to write your queries or questions in Google Sheets, right? Here also you can directly come and post your questions. Okay.
Yeah, Naresh, as you shown in the form, we can only opt for the resume review and interview prep also, right?
Yes, that is up to you. That's what I'm saying. I'm just giving you, okay? Like this you can say, or like this also you can say. Okay, whatever is more. Okay. So generally people will choose all,
Do we
but
get this?
it's
Do we
up to
get this premium materials only if we enroll, right?
Correct. And that link also I will try to share in a those who joined, right? I will try to give access for them. Okay, that
in this call or those for those who enrolled?
No, that the material link will be shared for who joins. Okay, join button is there, right? For them also it is available, but that is complimentary. Okay, material is very limited. You may not see whole material. Let us say here I showed you, right? Some of ADF, some we do not have, only 1 or 2 materials are available. Okay, this is completely complimentary. Okay, we cannot demand. This is keep on updates. Okay, we'll keep on upload. If we find any good material, we'll keep on upload here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So apart from this, so just like say I'm a beginner and I am totally from a non-IT background, or I just know a little bit. So you will be sharing some courses or something with me that start with the SQL and then start with the Python, then go ahead with the Spark and then Hadoop, right?
Yes. Yeah. This topic we will discuss in next session. That's what I'm telling you. Okay.
Thank you.
Any questions, guys?
Yeah, Naresh. So you will be sharing one more Google Drive with the roadmap, like first do the Python course first, then SQL. So you have to go to this link, do the course similar to that, right? Or you will discuss in the next class. That is also
yeah, next class only. Okay. Roadmap and all. How you have to approach. So and links and you can also share with us if you feel that if any good material is available. If I don't know that, please try to ping me. I will check it. If I feel that is a good, that will also we will include. Is that fine?
Yeah, but the way of sharing is going to be on the Google Drive, mostly the documents, right?
Yes. We'll try to share that to people who is going to enroll through a Google Drive only.
Okay.
Any questions, guys? Please don't write anything on the screen,
So
please.
next session is the paid session, right?
Sorry, I lost your voice. Can you please repeat again?
Yeah. Next session is the paid one, right?
Yes, because that is where we are starting, right? So that is paid only, and I'm giving you open, right? Like, if you pay 500 rupees, okay, and if you feel after a month, if you feel that that is not, if you are not satisfying with that sessions, you no need to pay next month onwards. Okay.
But one thing that is,
Yeah,
in
that's
first month
fine.
itself,
Naresh,
you will
like,
share all the course. First month itself, you will share all the materials and course links.
We maximum we will
Okay.
tell you, but idea is like
Okay.
you will get benefited only when you read and come back, right? Okay.
Correct.
That
That's
material you
clear.
already gone through it. I don't know, some people are already watching that videos, right? I'm not sure, but idea is like if you have any questions, there might be no chance to ask for them, correct? But here we will try to create some platform where we will all discuss. Okay. So
Sir, one last thing. Sorry.
yeah, no problem, go ahead.
Sorry. So just okay. A very good, great point. I read that and I go through that course and I come back. So will I get evaluated or something like that?
Evaluated means like, what I want to, I'm not sure, but let me tell you, I have some idea, something like this. You can just tell us if it is useful, then we will follow. Idea is let us say Python. If you are completed Python, what we will do, we will try to create some assignments. Okay. And
Perfect.
those who completes that, I mean, let us say you came and you taken 2 weeks time to complete a Python. What we will do
Perfect.
is we will give you a link where we have a Python assignments. You go ahead and solve it, so that you will get some hands-on, right? So that maybe happen in future, not immediately, because this is only in the beginning, right? We have to accumulate everything slowly, one by one. Okay.
So can I expect that in the next month, like February something?
What
like
you are expecting from next month?
Say I join on Saturday and you share me that Simran, this is the course for Python and this is the course for SQL. I want you to complete it. So I take 2 weeks and 1 week for Python and 1 week for SQL, and I come back to you. And so you will share me, yeah, Simran, now solve these questions for SQL and Python. Let me see where you are.
That kind of, I understood that kind of assignment, one-to-one discussion we not yet enabled. Okay, we will do it slowly later, because what we enabled is, if you have any questions, you can ask, or before to ask, right, you come here and write your questions. Okay. Your name, your topic, what topic you are, let us say you are having some data types, then topic may be data types, then what is the question on data types? Okay. Then our teammates will look into this and try to answer here. If not, we will revise, or we will walk through this sheet in a weekends and try to answer if we know that answer. Okay. Okay. But assignment point, yes, that is also very important. We have to work on it. Okay. Right away we may not start, but yeah, very soon we'll start on that area also. Okay, Simran, is that fine?
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Just wanted, it could be a suggestion as well, because that evaluation part will be very good, because what I think that there are a lot of people like me who are from non-coding background, and why they fail in the interviews, because they don't have the practicals, even
Do you know
including
one thing?
myself.
Without coding also you can able to crack the interview. Do you know?
No,
Right?
sir.
Okay.
No.
Okay. We'll discuss some tips also. Okay. So based on, I
Sure,
cannot
sir.
say completely without coding, but yeah, with very minimal coding.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for this.
No problem.
Hello.
Yes, guy. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I have one small question. Like, if we need some one-on-one clarification, like you shown this sheet that we have to maintain this sheet, but we want some one-on-one to clarify, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So it will be given.
Monthly once. I already told you, monthly once.
Yes.
Monthly
Okay.
once. Whoever joined this program, We will try to,
Okay.
we will try to contact you, okay, based on our availability. But monthly once you have a chance, I can say.
Okay.
Okay.
So each
Yeah,
one of
Naresh,
us
I have
will
one
get
question.
one chance, like, right?
Yes, yes, because you try to understand, right? Let us say if there are
Yes,
100
yes, yes,
people,
yes. Yeah,
not possible,
that
right?
I can. Yes, yes, that I can understand.
And
Yes.
that too, what you want to discuss one to one. See, here is a common, right? It is common for everyone.
Yes, yes.
But that is a
Yes.
different sheet, okay? Like how we have a forms, okay? So that is a different
Okay.
sheet where you have to write something about your challenges, okay? So
Okay.
that
Okay.
based on and also your availability, okay? Available time,
Yes, yes.
and we will try to contact you and during that hours.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes, yes. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, Naresh, I have one last question from you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Proceed, please. Proceed.
Yeah, Naresh, like actually I'm planning to attend the entries from the April onwards. So is it possible to share the materials from the first month, like from next month onwards? So by that I will go through all the materials as
You
I
mean
was
this
having
one?
knowledge of
You mean this one?
this one and all the materials. Like,
Yeah, you guys, that's what I'm
you
telling you,
were
right?
telling
That's what I'm telling
500
you.
course.
Next week, we'll try to tell you majority of, course links. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sure.
I know few
Okay.
people may thinking that, okay, I will pay 500 rupees first and then take all the links and go away. That is up to you guys. Because I'm sure if you are a beginner, definitely you need our help. Definitely you need our help, because I'm pretty much sure if you lost these areas, I'm sure it is very difficult to crack an interview. And also, not only interview, idea is not only crack an interview. To crack an interview, we have a different options. But idea is like after getting into the company, you should not fear yourself. You have to feel like a 2 to 3 years experienced guy, and you can ready to take a direct works. That is a confidence that you are going to build once you finish this all the steps. I'm pretty much sure, because I trained the people last 6 months, those who are already working now. Okay. And for experience also, we will discuss one to one. If need any person need that help from our end, we will try to guide you in one to one discussions. Is it fine?
Yeah, Naresh, one last one. Personally, when we wanted to interact with you on a certain thing, like I'm lagging on some points which I noticed from my end, and my analysis, my learning part, where I am getting lagging, I noticed few points like some advanced SQL concepts or some programmatical more. So when can I interact on those topics, particularly to you with you, and discuss and solve
See,
those?
Clever Studies is not a one person, is multiple persons who are currently they also joined in this call. We'll let you know. We'll introduce from next week. So we have separate like let us say Python SQL will take care one person, and Snowflake will take care one other person. Spark will take care another person, because these are the Q&A session, right? At the end of the day, your questions supposed to be clarified, right? And if it is one to one, I will talk to you if required, based on you are going to share that form, right? I mean, your challenges that what you are facing, definitely you will write and submit, right? Based on that form, I will come with my team member. If required, I will only take that call. If not, anyone from our team or group of people will call you, right?
Yeah, okay, Naresh, thanks.
All right. Okay, guys, we have only 4 minutes. Sorry to say this. I may take a couple of questions if you have any, or else we will wrap up.
So how we can join this? Can you give the payment link, or what is the process?
Thing is, see, definitely very soon we are going to create an app for this, but as of now it is little manual. And based on first of all, you have to fill that sheet like, yes, I am interested to enroll. Based on that link, we will try to contact you. As of now, manually, but going forward in a future very soon, that is maybe automatic. Okay. Will give you a bank account. You can transfer to that account directly. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
It works.
Yeah. thanks.
Are you going to
So many
post
good
those
questions.
details, right?
I'm really appreciate so many good questions that you are asking. And sometimes even I don't know at a time, these questions are very much helpful for those who are watching these sessions online also. Yes, guys.
Sir, one dumb question. Is this data engineer role is going to get affected in future with this ongoing layoffs and things?
Let me tell you guys. So we will discuss this type of questions, so many things in our Q&A sessions. I'm sure you will like it. You will love it, that sessions. And I will give you one trailer how it could be based on answering your current question. So let me tell you, if you are having a capable enough, then nobody will, remove you from the job. Nobody will remove you. If they are removing, then they are going to lose, not you. Who said this recession is making or losing so many jobs? If you are really having a good strength or technical expertise, nobody will remove you. Let us say you take one company, let us say TCS or Infosys are having more than 2 lakhs or 4 lakhs employees, right? Did you get any news from these 2 companies or 3 companies? Leave it about Microsoft or other companies. Okay, did you get any news from Infosys or TCS that they are laying off?
Haven't heard from Infosys, Wipro,
Yes.
HCL, TCS.
Even they remove it, right? Even they remove it, they will remove people who are not performing well and who are all, on bench a long time. Okay, but they won't take it out. People who are already working for a project, because I have that much experience. I, as a lead in my project, I never recommended a team member to be out of the project. In fact, we are hiring again. Today also I taken almost 3 interviews. Because of that, I have started a call at 12:15. Till 12, I have taken 3 interviews, and I completed there and jumped into this call. Still we are hiring. Okay.
Got it,
right?
sir. Got your point. Just one last thing, sir. I have filled the form and said willing to join. Yes. So now we are just waiting for the next Saturday.
Sure.
Thank
Very
you.
soon you will get a call, and before this
Thank
week
you.
you will get a call. Okay. Thank you, guys. I think we are done. If you have any questions, please believe me, 500 is very less. You join first. If you don't like it, you can stop it at any time. I'm pretty much confident on it. But you will get more insights, I'm sure. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining. Have a nice weekend.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Naresh, for your videos and everything. What you're doing.